This is my first video. Yeah80. Follow me on TikTok, by the way. And I'm here with my friend JCG Kid Vids.
Don't look at me.
Your head.
No.
He just doesn't want his face shown, but yeah, that's fine. So we're gonna be jumping some monster trucks.
Hello, hey!
Yep,
I'm back.
Bigfoot and
Taxi.
taxi. I forgot.
I'm better than you. No.
All right, let's do it.
You're already dead.
JCG Kid Vids, let's do this. Start. Hit the jump.
Ow.
Oh, let me zoom in on that. Sorry for my hand getting in the way, guys. Hold on. Oh, he landed that.
Hey, it's better than motocross, I think.
No, motocross is better. Ooh, Bigfoot with the better jump.
The big jump.
I did put my hand in the way.
Big jump.
Oh yeah, guys, if you don't like the word crap or some other words that I say, you can comment if you don't want me to say them, because I'm gonna make it like a kids channel and like a funny comedy channel. All right, let's go get the trucks now.
Oh, say hi to his dog.
Oh yeah. All right. Yeah, look at this. Look at that majestic. Oh wait. Oh, that's the butt. All right. Taxi, say hello.
Hi. How you doing?
I'm filming you.
What? I'm filming me.
You're gonna become famous.
I said I didn't want to film.
All right.
Take it out now.
My dog. Okay. I got my bicycles right there. Oh God. Ah! No. 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 Oh, bird.